Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley and today we are going to be doing some mystery box unboxings. I really enjoy mystery boxes, especially in situations like this where I don't actually own anything at all from the brand. It's exciting and I love it. So just a couple of things before we get started. If the lighting is awful, I'm sorry. It is pouring down rain and has been for the past 2 days and will be for the next 2 days. So the lighting is not going to be great. Also, that means that my kids are stuck in the house. So if you hear just pandemonium, I'm so sorry. They are incredibly stir crazy right now. But let's go ahead and jump into these two beauties right here. So this is from Oden's Cosmetics, and I have had them on my radar for the past year and a half. I've wanted to pick up some of their releases so badly, and I've been on their site multiple times, and the problem is that they have so much awesome, I couldn't narrow down what I wanted. I would fill up my cart, and my wallet would be like, Ashley, what you doing? So when I saw on Instagram that they were doing mystery boxes, I was like, yes, this is perfect. They get to make the choice for me and I get to try out their amazing products. So I am incredibly stoked. They had two different ones. They had a small one and a large one. One, if my memory serves correctly, was $25 and then the other was $50. That is actually euros, not actual American dollars. Don't really remember what the exchange was and everything, but I got free shipping and they have arrived. Now, they're not marked as far as which one is which, but this one is the lighter of the two, so it is my guess that it is the $25 or 25 euro rather mystery box. And you guys, this is how dedicated I am to you. This has no like seal, and I wanted to peek on these so badly. They arrived a few days ago, but I have been good and I've waited. So let's pop into it together, shall we? Woo, bubble wrap. All right, so what have we got underneath my layers of bubble wrap? Awesome. Okay, so it looks like there are 3 items in the mystery bag right here. This is what they look like in their bubble wrap. So first off, we have a brush. I do enjoy brushes. In fact, I have about a bajillion brushes because I'm always trying out new ones because I'm a nerd. But this one, I'm not sure if it was just the way it was packaged, but it does look like it is a fluffy dome brush that is pinched and has a bit of an angle to it. Again, it might be just because of the way it was packaged, it might straighten itself out, but this would be great for blending out crease work. The next thing in here is this. Let's see, what are we? We are, ooh, a flower brusher, the Alva flower brusher in Water Lily. So let's go ahead and, do I have scissors in here? I do, yes. All right, let's go ahead and open her up. You guys like my hair? Are you proud of me? I actually did it. No, that is a rarity here on my channel. All right, so their packaging is just so flippin' adorable. Look at that. Oh my God, I love it. All right. Ooh, so this is probably going to be a bit deep for me, but if I take a light hand to it, that could be really pretty. Ooh, excited. It definitely looks like it has some shimmer to it, so that will be fun to play with. All right, let's put it back in its little sleeve. And then this is likely an eyeshadow palette, I would assume. Get it out of its bubble wrapping. There we go. This is the Alva eyeshadow palette. So let's go ahead and pull the plastic off of this one and take a look at it. So the reason that I love getting mystery boxes from brands that I either have very little product from or no product at all is because I don't have to run the risk of duplication. So again, look at this beautiful, beautiful packaging. Oh, I am so in love with that. It's got, the detailing is kind of raised a little bit, so it's got texture on here. Oh, it is so pretty. Oh, this is so me. Oh my gosh, it is dusty mauvey purples, and it has that pop of some orange and some yellow in there. That is so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, we gotta swatch a few of these. So I'm gonna swatch Dandelion. Ooh, they feel nice and creamy. Swatch Dandelion. I'm gonna swatch Golden Tulip. I'm gonna swatch Cosmos. And we're also gonna do a matte in here. Let's swatch this beautiful bright yellow. All right, this is what they are just on my fingers. And oh, look at those. They are gorgeous. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, I am so excited. I'm so excited. And I need to grab a little wipe so that we can open up some other stuff too. Gosh. Last one. Ooh, we are super dried out because I use them so infrequently. All right, let's take this off. And while we're here, now that I have my little wipe, let's swatch this blush out a little bit. See what we look like. Oh, I almost don't want to touch it because the pattern embossed in here is so pretty. So this is what the blush on my finger looks like. Definitely a bit, well, I can kind of take a light hand to it. It's certainly not the shade that I typically go for, but that's a good thing, right? Because it pushes you out of your comfort zone a little bit and allows you to discover something new instead of buying the same shade of something 50 times over. So that is awesome. I am so excited. This palette is so pretty. So pretty. Okay, so now let's open the second one. Put my garbage down on the ground and I'll clean it up later. Move this out of the way. All right. More packaging, of course. Ooh, this one's taped shut too. All right. Woo! We got some different stuff, thank goodness. Or at least it appears so. All right, so there are all of these beautiful goodies in here, and I can't wait. It looks like one is a lip product. This is the cream lipstick in Brown Rose. Yes, that seems like a shade that I would have picked for myself. That's the only real drawback sometimes with mystery boxes, is that it's oftentimes lower performing items that they're just trying to get rid of. And so sometimes you can end up with some really funky colors. But just based on that name, this seems like the type of shade that I would pick out for myself, which is so exciting. Oh, that packaging, look at that. Oh gosh, their packaging is 10 out of 10 for sure. Yeah, all right, yeah. It's definitely a little bit deeper than I was expecting, I think, but I'm super excited about it. Okay, but it has kind of a sheerer application. That's really pretty. Oh, yeah. I know that I'm not supposed to be buying new lip products, but does it count if it comes by surprise? I am going to give myself a pass there because I really like it. I think that's really pretty. Okay, wiped it off. Let's see, what do we have here? This is... oh, this is a lip stain. Okay, it threw me off being in a box. That's kind of interesting. And it is just the Alva matte lip stain in Dry Dates. That's cute. All right, let's open her up. Okay, that's, all right. It reminds me, the component reminds me of like the Stila glitters, eye pigments. So that's kind of cool. It's really pretty. I love the look of it. This is definitely a much darker sort of shade. Ooh, yeah, she be vampy. Yeah, there we go. Definitely a very, very vampy shade. So I'll be very interested to see how that plays. Wipe it off so that I don't get it on my nice white shirt, because that is something that I would do. Absolutely. Okay. And moving on to these three gorgeous babies here. The top one is the Freya Diva palette. So let's see what this is. Ooh, that's what she looks like. Really, really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Oh, yes, ma'am. Look at that. Ooh, yeah, look at that. That is so, so pretty. Definitely super spring. I love that. Okay, and let's see what else we have in here. This is the Solomane eyeshadow palette. Everything came so well packaged, which is so nice. Nothing is more frustrating than spending your hard-earned money and getting a box where everything's just sort of bumping around in it and you're not sure what you're gonna open it up to. Oh, golly. This is what this one looks like. Oh, I'm so obsessed. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at that. Look at that one right there. Oh my gosh. Ooh. So beautiful. This mustard yellow right here. You know I love those types of shades. Oh, yes. So happy. Be prepared to see a lot of these in the near future. In fact, if you'd like to see a get ready with me or anything like that featuring these, then please let me know. I would be absolutely tickled to do that for you. And it looks like we have a highlighting palette. This one, I think, if my memory serves me, is a colorful highlighter, which I'm a little nervous about. That's not usually what I gravitate towards, but this is the Solomane highlighting palette. It's the same artwork on there. Oh no, this one isn't. Yay! Okay. This is what? Ooh, yeah. Let's go ahead and swatch these. I'm so excited. So excited. Ooh, we have a duochrome in there. Ooh, a couple of duochromes. Yeah, definitely some duochrome action. Can you see those? Look at that. Oh, those are really nice. Let me see if I can build them up just a little bit. They're a little bit powdery, but that might just be an overspray. Yeah, I think that it was just an overspray. They're feeling much better now. Okay. There we go. That's built up a little bit. I know my ring light is probably washing everything out because it's so just dreary outside. Those are really pretty. I'm excited to give those a try. I don't really own any highlighters that are like this, that have that kind of duochrome shifty otherworldliness to them, just because that's not what I typically wear on the day-to-day. So this will be super interesting to play with. I am so excited. So typically when I do these mystery box unboxings, I always pose the question at the end, was it worth it? And this time, hands down, without question, 100% yes. I am so stinking excited about all of these products. If I had to choose one that I was least excited about, it would be the lip stain, just because I don't typically go for really vampy looks. But even then, I'm kind of splitting hairs because I can see a situation where I would wear that in the winter months. So I am so pumped. I am so pumped. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know. And if you have any of these items, let me know. And if you want to see me applying these items, please let me know, because I would have so much fun putting that together for you guys. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope that you are having an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye.